Would you let me smash on the first link?
Yes, I would. You don't gotta tell me twice.
You're fine as shit.
Yo, can I see a face though? Like, why is everybody like not showing their face? Like,
can I suck your dick? Like, it's not hard to give you head though, is it? What happened? Are you streaming?
nah, I'm not.
Because if you're streaming, then I'm about to just put the whole thing.
Subscribe right now, man. We're trying to hit 10K. Let's go.
How old are you?
18.
Like dead ass.
Dead ass.
Alright, words. Cause like I'm 18 too, but like I know like females like to lie about their age and shit, so like I had to make sure.
It's true.
For me. But like, where you from though?
Houston.
For real? I'm from Dallas.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
For real?
Yeah, so like. Oh damn! You got your tongue out, shit. What you trying to do?
What?
Hold on, what you trying to do? You got your tongue out and shit. What you trying to do?
Hey, sit down.
What you trying to do?
Nah, come here.
What you trying to do? What you trying to do
That's
though?
not real, baby. That's not real.
Pretend to see fuck out.
What you trying to do though? Cause for me, you mad close. I seen you suck your tongue out. Shit, like, what you trying to do for me? Like,
Where you at? Dallas?
yeah, I'm in Dallas for real. Like, hold on.
Okay, I'll see you tomorrow.
She want me. She want me. She want me.
You say you see me tomorrow? Yo, why the?
Yo, I finally made a Twitch, bro. Go ahead and follow it right now, bro. It just hit turn. The lives is crazy, man.
Hey, I like studs. I ain't gonna lie. I like studs.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So like, you a stud, ain't you? Cause they kind of look for men and shit like that.
Emotional damage.
So it's like I thought you was like
We just gonna go back to
Damn!
this, cause I'm not gonna be getting.
oh wait, what you trying to show? Cause like you just put your shoulder. Like, we trying to show me something? Like, what you got going on?
I'm just trying to fucking stud.
Oh, so you trying to like show, like you trying to prove that you not a stud and shit like that. You want to show me like.
Oh my god!
Right, like.
Nah, but I can't really see that shit. I can't really like see it though.
I'm getting hard.
Wait, is you actually 19? You actually 19? Where I'm 19.
Is you actually 20?
Of course.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
Don't lie. I don't care if you young.
I was born 2002. Fuck. Yeah. I just started doing OnlyFans though. No bullshit.
It sounds like Kai.
Why you on my dick?
You sound like Kai Snack.
Yeah, I sound like Kai. I don't even know who Kai is for like. Like, for say you got a little like, for say you got a little something though. I ain't gonna lie. Like, where you from?
Where you from?
I said I'm from Jersey.
Then I'm finna go there. I'm finna be from there real quick.
Oh, you finna pull up to Jersey?
You don't have to.
Alright, so like, how am I be able to contact you and shit like that then? Like, what you about to, for me?
Number?
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That motherfucker don't miss, man.
He's good.
What you got?
Alright, for sure. For me, I don't be asking shit like that just because I don't know how you feel about, you know, saying your number and shit. So like,
What's the number?
But my best friend wants your dick in her throat.
huh?
Oh, I'll for sure take his dick in my throat. He fine.
Oh my god.
Yo, wait, what the fuck? Yo, what?
He hella sexy. Hold on. I'll take that bitch down my throat. Ooh.
Yo, what the fuck? Yo.
Wait, how old? Like, how old is you first? I need to know.
Nah, I'm legal.
Oh, alright. Legal that dick in my throat. Bitch! The fuck is you talking about?
Yo, why is she talking like that? Why is she talking like that? What you trying to do? What you trying to do?
Dick down my throat. I'm trying to get that dick down my throat. What's good with it? I'm trying to get some. So what's that?
Where you from though?
I'm from Cali.
I'm from Cali too. What part?
I'm from the Bay.
I'm from San Diego.
Well, San Diego, my ass down there and get that dick down my throat because you sucking.
Yo, can I just fuck? Can I fuck? Like damn! These
not
bitches
playing.
freaky, yo. Horny as fuck. Damn.
I'm not playing either. That's my best friend. I will.
She's
Oh,
not playing. She's serious. She will really pull up.
I will pull up on you. Shit, what's the move?
What's it gonna sound like though? Boy, if you don't like, what's it gonna sound like? Cause like,
Oh, baby, I don't got no guy reflex.
Oh my god!
So you trying to find out?
that's
No.
cap. That's cap.
I swear to God, you can ask my best friend.
Now you gotta show me that. You gotta show me. Ain't no way.
I'm gonna show you that when I pull up. You gonna find out, nigga.
You
I'm
really
gonna- right?
Oh
No,
my
when
God.
you met, nigga, I'm not stopping. Like, I'm not stopping at all.
Yo, this bitch is horny as fuck. I ain't gonna. She got me a little bit.
Come on, Stink.
Wait, stink. Wait, what? I don't stink. What you talking about? I don't stink. I take showers. Whoa. Stinky.
I'm calling you my Stink.
Hell no, I'm out.
Like, as in.
Stink?
What you want me to call you, bae?
Whoa. I ain't say.
Hold on. I never snitched on you, daddy.
She want me.
Hold on, I'm just playing.
Damn, I'm over here just
Got you over there smiling, huh?
Nah, chill. I wasn't responding about that for I ain't gonna lie. Nah, bro, yo, why you looking at me like that though? Like, what you trying to do though? Like,
What's up with it?
alright, run me your Instagram.
Alright. It's.
So, bitch, what?
Hi.
Nah, dude.
You look good. Nah, you look ready to tap that skip button.
My
You look like
hands is up here though.
you better get ready to beat some goonies down.
What do you mean by that?
Nah, I'm a virgin.
Really?
Yeah, I'm a virgin.
How old are you?
I'm 22.
You don't have to lie. Are you dead ass? So you haven't busted a nut in years? 22 years you never busted a nut.
Yeah, I never even masturbated before.
Wait, are you gay?
No.
Would you like girls?
Yeah, I like girls.
But you fuck with a girl?
Yeah.
But you haven't physically like.
But like I need her like to hold my hand first, and then maybe I could think about having sexual relations.
Get him on it.
You should take that up.
Want me to take it off? You want me to take it off though?
I told you it was a nigga too. Look at you.
Is you actually 19?
No, I'm 18. Why you saying I'm 19?
Nah, cause like bitches say like you 19 and shit like that on the thing, so like I had to make sure, but like, so like now I'm 18 though too, so like bitch, what's up? Like, for me?
It was at this moment Jackson knew. He fucked up.
You corny as fuck, bitch!
Wait.
Oh my god! Bitch, what's up? You think that's how you talk to a female with your disrespectful ass? Bitch, you get no pussy. You look like a monkey, bitch, and you got no motherfucking life, bitch. You ugly as fuck with that dirty ass background. Bitch, you got roaches, bitch. Stop talking to me, bitch. I'll stump you and rob you just for fun, out.
Wait, time out. You.
Me personally, I wouldn't take this level of disrespect.
What the? Yo, she was about to fuck with me though. Like, what the fuck?
Yo.
I know I'm fine as fuck, right? I'm fine as fuck, right? Click one of these videos on the screen to see more content. Bye.